Hey guys, welcome to a brand new episode of Terrific Tech Tuesdays. I am Sumit and I'm here to talk about something which I found really useful in the lockdown period. I'm here to talk about wireless chargers and wireless charging. Now, ever since I started using the Mi 10 along with this wireless charger, I have found some real use case scenarios which I will cover today. But with every piece of new technology, there comes a lot of questions. So you reached out to us on our social media handles with a lot of questions. What we essentially did, we took all your questions and categorized them under 3 buckets. We will be answering all your questions about the Mi wireless charger today in this particular session. Now, the first question which we received was, how does wireless charging even work? Now, if you look at the concept of wireless charging, it has existed for a while. It has actually existed since the 19th century when Nikola Tesla demonstrated magnetic resonance coupling. It basically showcased that it is possible to transmit electricity through the air by creating a magnetic field between 2 circuits. Basically one transmitter, which is this, and one receiver, which is going to be your phone or any other device. Now, if you would have asked me the same question a few years back, my answer would have been very different. But today, wireless charging has come a long way from the time we started seeing it on consumer products. Today, wireless charging is as fast as traditional wired charging, if not actually faster. Now, if you look at the Mi wireless charger for that matter, the Mi wireless charger can charge your Mi 10 in just 99 minutes. Now, that's extremely fast. Now, talking about utility, I have found this to be super useful whenever I'm working from home or from office, right? You can actually change music, you can actually even answer Zoom calls without even having to lift your phone up. Now, whenever the phone needs to be charged while I'm working, this wireless charger just does not act as a charger, but also acts as a very beautifully designed stand. Now, just dock your phone against it and you can simply swipe up to answer your calls, change music and do much more. So now every time whenever your phone rings, you don't have to physically lift up the phone, simply swipe up to get going. A silver lining of the lockdown was that our friends, our colleagues and finally our families have gotten acquainted to the era of video calling. But you know how video calls are, they tend to go on for hours and hours and you have to keep holding on your phone like this for multiple hours, which is actually really tiresome. But this charger with its unique angular design which you see over here, not just charges your phone but also becomes a perfect docking station for all your Zoom calls, which can go on for hours and hours now. The electromagnetic field created by a wireless charger is insignificantly little. It is as little as the electromagnetic field which is created by a Wi-Fi network, either at your home or in your offices. Now, as you would already know by now, that the Mi 10 along with this wireless charger supports up to 30 watt of wireless charging. Now, whenever you are passing such high electricity over the air, it tends to generate resistive heat. Now, to exactly solve that particular issue, there is a fan which is built within the Mi wireless charger. The inbuilt fan basically regulates the surface temperature of the device and keeps it below 38 degrees Celsius across the entire charge cycle. Now, talking more about the safety, we have added 4 silicone grips right over here. Basically, once you place it on a surface, it does not move at all. Now, in addition to the silicone grips, we have added a silicone strip over here. Now, whenever you are placing your phone on top of this basically does not let your phone move when it is wirelessly charging. The icing on the cake is that the Mi wireless charger is also Qi compatible. Now, this means that it will charge your Mi 10 at 30 watts, but it can also charge other wireless charging phones like iPhones at 10 watts. I hope you found today's episode useful. Keep coming back to the channel for more and more tech content. This is Sumit signing off, and I will see you in the next one.